Oregon Beaver Outdoors here. Well, first off, guys, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Just started putting out content on trapping here like a month, 2 months ago, and I want to say thanks for 100 subscribers. It's kind of a milestone for me. I didn't expect much out of this, but I thought while I'm out there on the trap line and anything else I'm doing outdoors, I'd share with you guys. There's so many of you. I enjoy watching your channels and the content you're putting out, and I hope you're doing the same. I said a few days ago I'd show this bait I'm making, and here's the base of it for the most part. You can pick all this stuff up at the dollar store. I'm using mackerel, 2 different cans of sardines, and some oysters I'm crushing up, and then some vegetable oil. A last batch I did, you guys can experiment with it however you want. I added some bacon grease to it. I had some coyote glands left over, so I grinded them up. I don't have either of those this time. And I just mixed up a batch. I store it in these quart jars, guys, and mix it up really well until it's just kind of a soupy consistency. Hopefully you have an understanding wife if you're doing it in the house like I am right now, because it doesn't smell that great. And vegetable oil, guys, I use it for a quart. I use about a cup or a little less, and that's just to weatherproof it a little. Winter's pretty well socked in here, and it's been holding up, guys. I don't want to say this stuff, works as well as commercial bait, because it doesn't. But it's just an added tool for our bag of tricks, I guess, guys. Now, some sets I do use this on its own, and other sets, if you guys follow along, I do a lot of dirt hole sets. I'll put a scoop full of this in a dirt hole, and I'll slide in some commercial bait too, whether it's Andy Weezer's, Kott's Brothers, Cavens, are the primary guys, primary bait users I use. So multiple smells out of set, guys, but I have caught catches this season on this stuff by itself. So here you guys have it. Try it out. If you guys have any luck with it, comment it up, guys. I'd be curious to see if it works for you guys in other areas of our country. So, all right, guys, we'll see you later.